A very good morning to all of you. Today, students, we are going to do round off to nearest 100. In the previous video, I explained you how to round off the numbers to the nearest tens. In that, you have done what? You have seen the ones place number. If the ones place number is less than 5, you replace the one digit by 0 and keep other digits same. But if the ones place is equals to or more than 5, in that case you replace the one digit by 0 and increase the tens digit by 1. Now on the behalf of that, we will learn how to round off the number to nearest 100. So let's start with it. So see, firstly we do some examples and then we move to activity 7, question number 2. First example is 285, means you have to round off 285 to nearest 100. So nearest 100 means firstly you have to write 285. Above the number write down ones, tens, 100. In case of 100 place, which place you have to see? Tens place. Means if you are doing round off to nearest 100, 100 means you have to see in which place? Tens place. In case of tens, which place you see? Ones place. In case of 100 place, you have to see which place? Tens place. Now compares the tens place with 5. Now see, which number is greater? Tens place number is greater, means your number is greater than 5. So what you do? You will add 1 on 100th place. On 100 place. Now 2 plus 1 will becomes 3 and this underlined digit becomes 0, means tens place becomes 0. After that other number, means what is left, ones also, that also becomes 0. Clear? Means after underlined digit all the digits become 0 only. Now see second part. Here also you write 6, 5, 9. Above the number write down ones, tens, 100. Clear? Now which place you have to compare? Tens place with 5 only. Now 5 is equals to 5. In this case also what do? You will add 1 on which place? On 100 place. Add 1 on 100 place. 1 plus 6 becomes 7. And after 100 place you have to make ones and tens place both 0. Clear? Because you are doing round off to nearest 100. Now see other example. 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all you write on every number ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Clear? Written. Now you are doing what? Nearest to 100. So which place you see? Tens place. So tens place you compare with 5. Your number is greater or smaller? Smaller. Means 5 is greater. So will you add any number on 100 place? No, you will not add any number on 100 place. So these two numbers will come as it is. So 12 will come as it is, and from underlined digit to ones place all numbers becomes 0, 0. Clear? See one more example. 2, 5, 8, 8. Above the number write down ones, tens, 100, 1000. Underline the tens place. Compare it with 5. 8 is your number. It is greater? Yes. So what do? You plus 1 on 100 place. So 1000 place number is 2. That will come as it is. 100 place you have add 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Now underlined digit becomes 0. And after that, after the underlined digit, all the numbers become 0. So this is the answer. Clear? Now see fifth part. Here also whenever these type of questions come, you have to write number first. Now on the number you write its places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Which place you have to see? 100 place. Or tens place. Tens place you have to see. Compare it with 5. Your number is greater, so what do? you add 1. Where to add? On 100, because you are doing nearest 100. So add 1 there. So 1, 4 will come as it is. On 100, what number is written? 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now tens place, which one digit you underline? Make it 0. And after that other number also you make 0. So this is the answer. So I hope you understand how to round off the numbers. Now students, we will do question number 2 of activity 7 in a copy, like this manner. Clear? So let's start with it. So first number is 446. How you have to do? Firstly you write 4, 4, 6, and above the number write down ones, tens, 100. Nearest 100, so which place you have to see? Tens place. Compare with 5. Your number is greater? No. Will you add any number on 100 place? No. So 100 place number will come as it is. Underlined digit becomes 0, and after underlined digit other number also becomes 0, because in 100 how many zeros come? 2. So this will be the answer. Now we do B part. 719. Ones, tens, 100. Which place you have to compare? Tens place with 5. Is your number is greater? No. So 100 place number will change? No, it will come as it is. And underlined digit becomes 0. And ones place also becomes 0, because when you make tens place 0, you have to make one place also 0. So this is the answer. Now let's move to C part. Here first of all you write 9, 8, 3. Above it write down ones, tens, 100. Compare tens place. Tens place is 8. Compare with 5. Is your number is greater than 5? Yes. So what do? You will add 1. Where to add 1? On 100 place. So 9 plus 1 becomes 10. Clear? And this tens place, which is underlined, it also becomes 0, and ones place also becomes 0. So this is the answer. Now we do D part. 1, 1, 8, 5. Above the number write down ones, tens, 100, 1000. Compare tens place with 5. Your number is greater, so what do? You will add 1 on 100 place. So 1000 place is 1, that will come as it is. 100 place is 1 plus 1, it becomes 2, and underlined digit is 10, that becomes 0, and after that ones place also becomes 0, because if bigger place becoming 0, then its smaller place also becomes 0. Clear? Now we do E part. E part is 1, 7, 3, 6. Write down ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Clear? Compare the tens place with 5. Compare it. Is your digit is bigger than 5? No. Will you add any number on 100 place? No. It will come as it is. And underlined digit becomes 0, 0. Clear? This is the answer. Now we do F part. 6, 2, 5, 3. Write down 1, tens, 100, 1000. Compare tens place with 5. Now both the digits are equal. So what do? You will add 1 on 100 place. So 1000 place come as it is. 100 place is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Underline digit becomes 0, and before underline digit, that is a tens, is ones, it also becomes 0. So this is the answer. Now we do G part. 8, 8, 9, 9. Write down ones, tens, 100, 1000. Compare tens place with 5. Is your number is greater? Yes. So what do? You will add 1 on 100 place. So 8 will come as it is. 8 plus 1 is 9, and underlined digit becomes 0, and ones place also becomes 0. So this is the answer. Now H part. Number is 1, 5, 7, 2, 8. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Compare tens place with 5. So 5 is greater. Will you add any number on 100 place? No. 1, 5, 7 will come as it is, and underline, from the underlined digit all the numbers become 0. So this is the answer. Clear? You have to write like this manner in the copy also. Now I part. 1, 8, 9, 9, 7. Above the number write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Which place you have to see? Tens place. Compare with 5. Clear? Is any number is greater? Yes, 100 place becomes greater than 1. You add 1 on 100 place. Beta, when you add 1 on 100 place, it becomes 10. So this 9 becomes 10. So 1 will go on 8. It becomes 9. 1 will come as it is. After that, all the numbers become 0, 0. Clear? Now solution J. So firstly you write 2, 4, 3, 6, 4. Above it write down ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Tens place you compare with 5. Your number is greater. So what you do? You will add 1. Add 1 on 100 place. So 24 will come as it is. 3 plus 1 is 4. And from underlined digits, all digits become 0, 0. Clear, students? So students, today you learn how to round off the numbers to nearest 100. In nearest 100, you have to see the tens place number. If it is less than 5, then you will not add any number on 100 place, and till 100 place numbers will come as it is, and after 100 place tens place and ones place become 0. And if the number on tens place is equals to 5 and greater than 5, then what you do? You have to add 1 on 100 place and replace tens place and 1 digit by 0. Clear? So I hope you understand today's lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.